Fresh off the press because these boxes right here are hot. I mean, the last time I ripped packs from these boxes, I actually got the Gold Zard and I got an IR to boot. So yeah, we're going to do it again. Can we maybe pull a gold from Mega this time? I don't know. We'll see. Stay and watch. I'm still on vacation, so stick around until the end and see if I pull the Kanto starters. See you tomorrow.
Wait a minute.
Nope.